Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Y'all guys, look at this. Miss Janita did not even know I got some peas right here. How the heck I get peas and don't know I got peas? So we got peas. I got green onions, peas, tomatoes, waiting on my peppers, but look at that. I got some peas and didn't even know I'm growing these peas. I didn't know they grew. This is crazy. Guess I'm proud again. Look at me, growing food like this. Now I've grown tomatoes and potatoes and peppers, green onions, but I've had mint, I've had oregano, thyme, mint, and all that stuff, but I have never grown this kind of peas. Ain't that some? Wait, look like some more right there. Is it time to pick them, you guys? How do you know when to pick them? When they're just that big? Now look at all this right here. Is a whole bunch of peppers about to bloom, pop right here, grow right here on this pepper plant. I am amazed. We got a morning glory. I am amazed. I came out here to finger pollinate, but I got some peas. Y'all let me know, am I supposed to pick these peas right now? And do you eat the pouch, or do you take the peas out? Some of you expert pea growers, let me know. Yeah, it's a worm that eat these leaves, but shoot, I don't know. I guess the morning glory has decided to come back, but we got some peas, tomatoes, and peppers, green onions. Oh, wow. Let me not break my neck. Just tomato flowers. Yeah. Just another day. I'm trying to show that tomato. Oh, too close. Can't get to show right now. But it's right there. Why the camera act like this? Okay, just an update on the going so fast on the pepper and the peas and the pea bush. Pat myself on the back. Everything is happening. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for all your support. Remember the glitches. If I come to your channel and you don't see my comment, you'll just see thumbs up. I only could communicate, seem like these days, with emojis. YouTube don't want me to speak to y'all. I'm laughing, y'all. But anyway, thanks. Any new subscribers, thank you. Keep subscribing, keep complimenting, keep supporting. I'll do the same. Love it. And support the gardening community. Go around and invite and join other channels. Y'all, I'm growing some tomatoes. Look at it. I think you can see it that good. Right by that egg, Easter egg. Look at the flowers. I did the hand pollinating, so I think these might be tomatoes. Those green tomatoes. How about that? But we'll see as they get bigger. But this is it right here, and here, this cluster. Oh, I can't wait. Because I have never had a tomato plant get this dang tall, and the leaves are huge. I can't wait. The peppers, it rained a little bit out here. Loving it. loving it. I don't know if this is a flower plant or a pea plant. Got no peas yet. But I'm glad it's getting a little rain out here. There go my little tiny flower plant in a bigger box and a bigger planter. The flowers are doing okay still. Oh, I gotta put some water on my herbs back there. It's my jade plant. Oh yeah. Everything doing pretty good. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, y'all. I'm loving it. I gotta get a paintbrush and clean this dirt off my plant right there. Something fell over. All right, y'all, I just had to come and share. Let y'all see my dang plants. Got my head all covered up. Oh, okay. Come back in a little bit. Thanks, y'all. Thanks for your time and support.